When you do operations, you want to have a positive exponent. So the way you change, if you want to make that exponent a positive 2, you flip the fraction in the parentheses. So that would turn into 5 over 1, or just 5, to the positive 2, and that's going to be 25. Same thing on this one. That's going to turn into 3 over 1, or 3 squared, which is 9. Now, okay, to get rid of a negative exponent, you take it to the opposite place it's in. So this is over 1. So that becomes 1 over 3 squared. So that's 1/9. This one becomes 1 over 5 squared, which is 1 over 25th. And you know what this is, which is 8. So I showed all my steps, but I think if you were on the GMAT after you did several of these, when you're taking the actual test, you would know, well, hey, this is going to be small because you're bringing that 3 squared to the bottom. This is going to be small. You know that's 8. And so you just have to practice on the first two.